Hey guys, thanks for watching my newest YouTube video that's brought to you by the guys at TrutechTools. I'm going to be showing you some cool lights here in a minute and that they sent me, and I want to get some information out to you. Of course, I want to thank Lance and Zeke at Solderweld. You can check them out at www.solderweld.us. They're the makers of hot block and 15% round rod and alloy saw and multi-saw. Also, Dennis over here at Parker Sporlan, huge supporter. I appreciate all the guys at Parker Sporlan. I mean, they're the ones that sell thermostatic expansion valves and solenoids and electric EEVs and catch-all filter dryers. And then Chuck down here is another huge supporter of mine. Chuck at Midwest Tools, the right tools since 1945. You can check them out at midwestsnips.com. I have a hard time with that one. I have to look back every time. And today's YouTube is actually brought to you as well, but really sponsored by 919 Customs. And they're the ones that handle all of my t-shirts here and my silk screening here in Phoenix. And they can help you out. Monty can help you out no matter where you live. You just send him the artwork and he does a fabulous job. It's a small business and I love helping him out. And Monty is super cool. You can reach Monty at 919 Customs at 480-466-9805. And I'll make sure to put more information in the description below. Also, now I really appreciate guys and gals on YouTube, but you know, there's a lot of people getting free stuff and there's so much stuff that's being sold on YouTube that quite honestly, I'd rather give you some free stuff. And so if you get a hold of me at hvacreferguy@gmail.com, that's my email address, hvacreferguy@gmail.com, I'll send you out some stickers. And they're really cool, so they're beautiful stickers. This is one of my most #1 asked for, which is make blue collar great again. It's got some dirty hard hat and dirty boots and my round sticker. It also works a Be Safe. This is a hard hat sticker. My original round sticker, HVAC Reefer Guy. And then we throw in some stuff like Midwest Tools. I got a whole bunch of stickers from Chuck. Laparo, great guy, huge supporter. And some stickers from ASCO. You can't see him, but here at the very top is Brian over at ASCO Tools, and I appreciate him a bunch. But these stickers are free. So while everybody else is trying to sell you stuff on YouTube, like get a hold of me and I can sell you, we do stuff for you for free. And that's just our way of saying thanks for being part of the HVAC Reefer Guy family and for working and living blue collar proud. We cannot thank you enough. So today's lights, these lights I'm going to show you, are from Eric and Bill over at TrutechTools. Now you can get a hold of Eric and Bill over at TrutechTools.com by going to the website www.TrutechTools, TrutechTools, Tools, TrutechTools.com, and you can see these lights. Now make sure, now there's a little spot at checkout that says promo code. Make sure you type in HVAC Guy in the promo code because you'll get 8% off on an entire order. Now, some things don't qualify, like Testos and things like that that are brand new on the market. They probably won't qualify, but it doesn't matter. Always, always, always put HVAC Guy in the promo code. I don't make a dime off of it. I get things like this to test out. But you know, it's my way of paying it forward because I went to them and I said, hey, I want to help out the blue collar. I don't want to be paid for anything. I just want to pay it forward. I'm an old guy. And they were like, you know what, we'll set up a promo code. It's HVAC Guy and you get 8% off the entire order. I mean, like I said, I don't make a dime off of it. It's just my way of saying thank you. And I love partnering with Eric and Bill over at TrutechTools. Now this light right here, these lights that I'm going to show you are from TrutechTools. And there's some pretty cool lights. Now the first one I'm going to show you, this is part number HMWL1200. There's two light levels, 1200 lumens and 600 lumens. It's this front face right here is all metal, very durable, and there's a handle. You can see this handle that's right here in the back, and then there's a charging port. Now this charging port right here, of course I'm live, I don't edit anything out, so nothing works the way I want it to. This charging port comes with a car charger and a 120 volt adapter, and it closes up, and then this is the power button, and then there's some swivel joints. You can swivel this way, and there's another swivel joint right here. You can see these swivel joints. The importance and the reason for all these swivel joints is because of this magnetic base. This magnetic base will hold this lamp in every direction, including on its side, with no problems at all. And so it's really important that you have these swivel joints in there so that you can move the head of this light around. If you've got this attached to like the top of your truck, the side of your truck, maybe it's inside your van, using as a van light. In the dark, you can move it around, or maybe an electrical panel. There's just all sorts of ways that you can use this light. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the switch on. Now, right now we are at 600 lumens, and at a fully charged battery, it's good for 6 hours. The cool thing too is you can see right here, you see this right here? Look how it's brightening up, how bright that is back there. It's really brightening that up. This is actually your level, your light level, actually your battery levels, not light levels. And so it will stay like this until you get down to the red, and then it's like, oh crap, we gotta charge it. So not many lights actually have a battery level in them, but you can see that it's right there. I'm gonna hit the next switch. I'm gonna hit the next switch right here. Hold on, let's get that guy going. Man, I'm gonna get a sunburn. Jeez Lord. I can't see crap. I can't even see you guys on the screen. But this one right now it's at 1200 lumens, and on a fully charged battery, it'll last about 3 hours. So the two light levels are great. I mean, they're just so much power. Now it's off. 600 lumens, 1200. You can really see the difference in it. Puts out a lot of power. You have the light level that's right here in the back. And this light, this part number is an HMLW 1200 from Hilmor, and HMWL 1200 from Hilmor. And this is a cool light, lithium ion batteries, fully rechargeable, a really awesome light. And I'm going to put this one away so it doesn't fall. I do everything live, so if it falls, it breaks. We get to live through it together. Now the next light, this is a smaller light. This part number is an HMPWL 240. It comes with 3 AAA batteries in the kit. Here's your first one. Pretty decent light. Pretty decent light out of 3 AAA batteries. 240 lumens, 3 AAA batteries. And the cool thing is when you buy the kit, the batteries actually come inside the kit. So you don't have to buy it and then be like, crap, I need batteries, and you're rushing around the store trying to find batteries. But the batteries come in the kit. And I've had these batteries in for about a month, and I've been using it, and it's still pretty light, or still pretty bright. And then there's a flashlight on top. There's a flashlight on top that you can use just cruising around in the attic or outside. What I like about this is there's some really cool attachment points. One here is a hook. So let's say that you're in the attic of a home. You can drive a nail into the wood beam, wood 2x4, and hang this in the attic and give you a lot of light. Or you have some magnetic points. And here's one magnetic point where you can hang it flush, or you've got them here in the back. Now you guys, oh, what's the back? Here's the neat about this, is that it actually swivels. This piece swivels, so you can attach this to an electrical panel and attach it inside and give you some lighting. You can put this this way, straight on the side of the unit right here, and hang it from the unit. You've got some spots in here where you can hang it like this. And then give yourself some different light. There's just all sorts of different ways you can use this. And again, this is part number HMPWL 240, and this is 240 lumens out of 3 AAA batteries. So that's some cool stuff from the guys over at TrutechTools. And that's what's really, really great about it, is that you want to make sure that you get that lighting and get it from TrutechTools. They have some great stuff over there, and that is TrutechTools, www.TrutechTools.com. And thanks to Eric and Bill for that. And make sure you use HVAC Guy as a promo code. I have one other sponsor that we don't use too much, not in this video, but they're huge supporters, and that's Mike and John over at Refrigeration Technologies. They are the maker of, you can see it right there, Viper wipes. They also, you can see a little bit of it right there, which is the Nylog. And they make the big blue leak detectors. Huge supporters of mine, great people over there, Mike and John at Refrigeration Technologies. Without them and all of these sponsors that you see here, I wouldn't be here today, because they are just huge supporters, and they take care of me very well, especially like with swag, like these stickers and shirts and things like that. So if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can find me on Instagram at HVAC_reefer, R-E-F-E-R _guy, of course, here. And I also have a podcast channel on Apple iTunes and Spotify. Again, HVAC Reefer Guy, not that original, but you can find me everywhere on the internet with the same HVAC Reefer Guy, and pictures and images in iTunes and Instagram, and videos, of course, here on YouTube. And if you like what you see, make sure that you subscribe. Hit the notification bell, because I've always got new content coming out. And once again, thank you so much. You know what? Work safe, be good humans to each other. There's so much crazy crap that goes on in the world. And of course, 919 Customs, thanks you again for the support. You can reach Monty at 480-466-9805. Always, always, always work safe, be good humans, and we'll see you next time.